We're gonna go with parcel tutorials, and this tutorial is creating parcels. Um, Exercise number 1, creating parcels from Autocad objects. So we will convert Autocad entities to land parcels with automatic labels that show useful topological data such as land area. First one is create parcels from existing AutoCAD objects. For that, we're gonna open drawing parcel 1A, which we got open here already. And the drawing contains an existing ground surface, alignments that represent intersection road, center lines on AutoCAD lines, and arcs that represent property boundaries. In the following steps, you will create AutoCAD Civil 3D parcel objects from the existing lines and arcs. Click Home tab, create design panel, partial drop down, and create parcel from object. Plot parcel in this version of Civil 3D. Good. Then we're gonna select the lines and the polyline border at the east side of the site, north of the first street alignment, and press enter. So we're gonna click the polyline there. We're gonna press enter, like we said before, and the dialog box, we're gonna specify the following parameters. Site is site 1, plots parcel style is single family, area level it's parcel number and area. Parcels must have area labels, but segment labels are optional. Automatically add segment labels is going to be selected, and erase existing entities selected. Click OK. Good. We're now going to change the parcel numbering. Click a parcel number to select it. Click the parcel tab. Modify panel. We're gonna click rename or rename. In the dialog box, we're gonna specify renumber selected, starting number 101, increment value 1. Then click OK. To specify a start point, click to topmost parcel. This is the topmost parcel. Step 5, specify an endpoint. Click the bottommost parcel, as we hear. Let's press enter twice. Now the parcel area labels are now numbered in ascending order with 3 digits, as we see here. 1, 2, 3. Yep. We're going to continue to exercise number 2, which is subdividing a parcel with a free form segment. create parcels using a free form line. We're going to open parcel 1B. Good. And then we're gonna click Home tab. And create design panel, parcel drop down, parcel creation tools. So step 3 on the parcel layout toolbar, click freeform create. And then there we go, click select the freeform create. And in the create parcels dialog box, click OK. And then in the drawing snap to the endpoint shown in the following image. Now notice that frontage does not need to be specified. To specify the load line direction, move the cursor straight up and snap to the intersection of the backlog line. As the intersection is not highlighted, just click the nearest intersection there. The new parcel is created and labeled. We're gonna now repeat the steps 5 and 6 to create another load line as shown in the following image. Press escape to end the command. And we're gonna go now to exercise 3. Which is subdividing a parcel with a slide line. We're gonna specify parcel creation settings. We're gonna open parcel 1C. Good. Now we're going to click Home tab, create design panel, parcel drop down, parcel creation tools. On the parcel layout toolbar, click the double arrow down. And now we're gonna set up some parameters. Good. So what we're gonna do is parcel sizing, automatic layout, minimum area 7,000, minimum frontage 40, minimum frontage offset yes, frontage offset 20, minimum width 40, minimum depth 50, use maximum depth yes, maximum depth 200. We're gonna put here multiple solution preference, use the smallest area. We're gonna change it to that one. Automatic mode is gonna be enough. Remainder distribution, place remainder in last parcel as it is. When automatic mode is set off, the remainder distribution setting does not affect the parcel layout. This setting will be used in later exercises. We're gonna see that. Now we're gonna create individual parcel using a slide line. In the parcel layout tools bar, click slide line create. In the create parcels layout dialog box, for parcel style, select single family. Leave other settings at the default values, click OK. Click the area label for parcel single family 101, which is this one here. We can specify the start and end point of the parcel frontage as shown in the following image. This is the starting point. When you move the cursor to specify the end point, a little line displays the proposed frontage, as we can see here. We're going to find the intersection there. End point. Good. When you're specifying the frontage starting point, do not snap to the beginning of the curve. If the frontage starts at the beginning point of the curve, no solution will be found. Now we're gonna enter a frontage angle of 90 degrees. Okay. Then we're gonna press enter, and then the new parcel is created and labeled. And a preview of the next parcel is displayed in the drawing, as we can see here. Parcel layout, tools dialog box, minimum area, enter 8000. Notice that the preview graphic updates to reflect the change area value. We're gonna press enter. 2 new parcels are created and labeled. We're gonna create multiple parcels simultaneously. In the tools toolbar, click sideline and create. And here under automatic layout, specify parameters automatic mode on, remainder distribution, place remainder in last parcel. Click the area label for the large parcel on the south side of the site. This one here. Specify the start and end points of the parcel frontage as shown in the following image. So we're gonna place, I got the image, but you're gonna place it here. And then we're gonna go all the way to the front intersection. Enter a frontage angle of 90 degrees. '19 command line, good. A preview of the proposal parcels is displayed as we can see. We're gonna press enter to accept, and the new parcels are created and labeled. We will correct the placement of some of the lot lines in the editing parcel data tutorial. Press escape to end the command, and we're gonna move on to exercise number 4. Which is subdividing a parcel with a swing line. First, we're gonna specify parcel creation settings. We're gonna open parcel 1D. Good. Now we're gonna click Home tab, then create design panel, parcel plot like I have here, drop down, parcel creation tools, on the parcel layout toolbars, tools toolbar, click the double arrow down, and now parameters, parcel sizing, automatic layout, minimum area is 8,000, is on already, minimum frontage 40 is good, use minimum frontage at offset, yes, that's good, frontage offset is 20, minimum width is 40, minimum depth is 50, use maximum depth is yes, maximum depth is 200, multiple solution preference, use the smallest area, automatic mode is going to be off now, good, we changed it there, and then the remainder distribution, place reminder in last plot or parcel. We're going to create parcels using a swing line. Parcels layout toolbar, click swing line, click create. Then in the create parcel in layer box, parcel style, select single family, leave other settings at their default values, click OK. Step 3, in the drawing, select the area label of the large parcel in the northeast corner of the site here. Click the label. Specify the start and end points of the parcel frontage. So the endpoint, the start point is going to be there, and the end point is going to be in the intersection at the front. We got the yellow line displaying the proposed frontage. Okay. Click the endpoint there on the intersection. Now click the northeast corner of the parcel to specify the swing point. Good. Northeast there. For the swing point, preview graphic is there. We're gonna press enter now to create the parcel. go. New parcel created. And we're gonna press escape to end the command. We gonna do exercise 5, working with alignment and parcels. We're gonna examine alignments in a side. We're gonna open parcel-1e. This drawing contains 5 rows of a main west-east road. The 2 north and side rows have centerline alignments, each of which created a parcel in the roadway and cul-de-sac center island. In the next few steps, you will convert the centerline of one of the southern side roads to an alignment and prevent it from forming parcels. In Toolspace, Perspective tab, expand sides. Then side 1 expand alignments, center alignments. 4 existing center alignments all reside inside 1, as we can see here, while the top level alignments collection above the side selection is empty. Now we're going to create an alignment outside of a side. Home tab, design panel, alignment drop down, create alignment from objects. There you go. We're gonna select the red center line for the road in the lower middle of the drawing. Good. Select, then enter twice, and the dialog box is displayed. By default, the side is set to none. We're gonna click OK. We're gonna expand the top level alignments. Centerline alignments collection in Prospector. We're going to move alignment out of sight. Toolspace, Prospector tab, right click, alignment 4, which is the cul-de-sac alignment to the northeast of the alignment you created. Click move to side. And move to side. In the dialog box, make sure that the destination side is set to none. Click OK. Notice that in Toolspace Perspective tab alignment 4 has moved to the top level alignments collection. In the drawing window, the parcel label and hatching has been removed from the cul-de-sac center island. We're gonna close now the Parcel 1e, and this is the end of the tutorial.